Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Jenny's. And it's Sunday, and we got some, new coupons. I've not gone through them yet. I thought we'd do it together. And you want to know what awesome things we're going to find. Because I know there's going to be something in there, because I've already seen the bells and whistles going off. And if you're not one of our crazy friends and you're just stopping by, well, welcome to my house. I'm Jenny, aka Crazy Country Couponer. Come on in and hang out with some crazy friends. Matter of fact, look below, hit that red subscription button and that notification bell, and become one of those crazy friends. Yeah, welcome. Now you're not going to miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information, or field trips. But let's talk about our new cues today. A lot of new earns, it looks like. But to start off with, looks like we have a save $2 on ultra strong or ultra soft bath tissues, 12 mega rolls on the True Living toilet tissue. That one is $9.50, so it's going to make it $7.50, guys. We have a lot of food earns. Remember, always clip your food earns, because you never know when you might be in the store and just see a good deal and want to pick it up, and then you'll make money doing it. Last day expires today. It says save $5 on $15 worth of Hershey Easter candy. So go check that out. See what they got left, guys. What have we here? We've got a spend 10, save 3 on PG health and beauty products. Oh my gosh, look at all that, guys. We got coupons for almost all of that stuff. We've not had a Pantene coupon in a while. That's strange. So, yeah, look at all that. We're going to save some money with that. I know we got Oral-B. I know we got Crest. I know we got Always, Old Spice, Olay. And look, we've got like $4 off on this Olay Indulgent Moisture Body Wash. It expires Sunday, today. And we also have the $2.30 off the Febreze Small Plate Spaces and the Febreze Air Effects. And there's a lot of new scents. So make sure you scan before you pick up the new scents. We've got earn dollars on Raid, and this is a good deal because it's that time of year, and the earn $1 on the Combat. We talked about that already. I just wanted to remind you. We've got Hominy, guys. Earn 50 cents on some Hominy, and or $1 on some Hominy. And if you don't know what that is, well, it's enhanced corn, let's just say. But how do you cook that? Well, you kind of cook it like beans. Okay, you're going to rinse it off, put a little bit of water in it, and you season it with onions, with sweet onions, bacon fat, and bacon. And butter. Lots of butter. And you let that cook like you do beans until those kernels are tender. You're going to love it. We got $1 off some Charmin and Charmin Essentials, and $2.30 again off the Febreze plug. Now we got a save 3 on the Colgate, or save 5 on 3 on the Colgate. We've got a Airwick 209 scented warmer. That's pretty much free. $6 on 2 Mr. Clean Freak starter kits. And that's going to make that buy one, get one free pretty much, guys. We've got some Funnable earns. We got your BOGO Palmolive and Ajax. Buy one, get one free. This always glitches. Put the Ajax up first. It's the most expensive item. And purchase that Palmolive. And you'll get the higher amount off. You have got that $3 off one Mr. Clean Freak. Okay? If you like to use this, this is a good stock up. Because you've got $9 in coupons on $18 worth of stuff. So, again, pretty much buy one, get one free. Oh, and look at there. We have a free scented airwick warmer. So now you got 2 free scented airwick warmers. Oh, lordy. Let's see. $1 on some Angel Soft. $1 off on some Bounty. And $1 off on some Sparkle. We got a new Save 3 Pepsi Cola and Lay's coupon. We got a save $1.75 on Arm & Hammer. Buy 1, get 2 cans of, it looks like some sort of cat food, but it's going to be Purina cat food, canned cat food. Buy 1, get 2 cans with the Tidy Cats. Same thing goes with the box of Tidy Cats. You got a $2 off some Finish. You've got a $3 off some Finish. So this is a good stock up deal right here. Both of them are $5. So it's buy 1, get 1 free. Again. GX shampoo conditioner. We have the buy 1, get 1 Airwick coupon. That is the 2 count. And this is glitching. You'll put the Vibrant up first. And then the Airwick and the Vibrant one will come off the amount for $7 instead of the Airwick for $6.50. Now we've got to save $5 on any 2 Irish Spring or soft soap. So his and hers, $5 off. These are $5 and change a piece. So again, pretty close to buy 1, get 1 free. You've got a $2 off Bic Soleil, okay, or a Bic Flex 3. The Flex 3 is $5 and the Bic Soleil is $4 and change. So $2 off. You got $5.90 off the 2 Downy scent beads. We've got all kinds of new urns. Make sure you clip them. Especially these ones for these all detergents and these Arm & Hammers. This saved $5 on 2 Old Spice. Well, that will go with that right here, guys. Save $3 when you spend $10. So you're going to save $8 on 2 Old Spices. And that's pretty much buy 1, get 1 free again. We got our $3 urns back on this Lysol air sanitizer. And guys, let me tell you, compared to regular Lysol, this stuff is so much better. So there you go, guys. That's all of our newest coupons and a couple of deals that you can do today. You can do them Saturday. Stay tuned. We got more. Enjoy the rest of your day and your family time. Blessings.